an Curran Fesh a bhrona Copdale, Ballast-Inchestown, Éad McAdam.
Tá as an downar man Curran a Glacka ar son Ballast-Inchestown. I'm absolutely delighted to accept this cup on behalf of the team. The girls are absolutely amazing. The amount of effort we put into training since February has been unbelievable, and the fact that we came back and won this Feis Cup just shows the strength and depth of our panel. I'd just like to thank a few people: our management, Declan, Joe and Debbie, our physio, Mary, Geraldine Gordon and Ger Sheridan. They're always at all of our matches and trainings, and I'd like to thank our sponsor TNT. I'd like to thank Dunmore Ashburn for providing such excellent facilities, and last if not all least, St. Ultans. You are such an excellent team. You always put it up to us every single match, and you're a tribute to yourselves. So 3 cheers for St. Ultans. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!